Tired of fiddling with stubborn section breaks that mess up your Word document's flow? Let's fix that in under 90 seconds. First, we need to be able to see those pesky section breaks. Head up to the Home tab on your Word ribbon. In the paragraph group, click on the Show, Hide Y button. This is your secret weapon for revealing hidden formatting marks, including all your section breaks. See those dotted lines? Those are your section breaks now. Press and hold the Control key on your keyboard, and while holding it, press the letter H. This opens up the Find and Replace window. We're going to use this to find and eliminate all section breaks at once. In the Find What box, we need to type in a special code. Click inside the Find What box and carefully type caret followed by the letter L. So that's caret, then the letter L like a space, but for section breaks now, leave the Replace with box completely empty. Before we replace, let's ensure we're targeting the right thing. Click on the More greater than button to expand the options. Make sure your search option is set to all to find breaks throughout your entire document. Now, click the Replace All button. Word will tell you how many section breaks it found and replace. Click OK. And just like that, all your section breaks are gone. Your document is now a single, unified block of text, making formatting and editing a breeze. You can click that Show, Hide Y button again to hide the other formatting marks if you wish.